Hello, I want to share with you the information about engraving a photo on wood. Today I want to show you how I prepare photo in Photoshop and then how to engrave it on plywood. I will use birch plywood 3 millimeters. So let's try to do this. Let's start by opening our photo in Photoshop. It's always a good idea to use a high resolution image because the clearer it is, so the better your engraving will look. We will take a simple family photo and go step by step. First of all, I go to Image Mode and choose Grayscale. Next, let's make the image more contrasting. It's very important for engraving, so go to Image, Adjustments, and Brightness Contrast choose. Then Image, Adjustments, and Levels. We'll try to make light areas lighter. I want a clear balance, not too dark and not too flat. Then go to Filter, Sharpen, and I will use Smart Sharpen. This helps the laser capture fine details like hair, eyes, and other elements. So change the mount, radius. Now let's remove the background. Then I use eraser tool to clear the image, all the small details I don't want to see on the photo. Save your final image as a JPEG or BMP, depending on your engraving software. I will save as a JPEG, and in my case I will import it into LightBurn and test how it looks on birch plywood. Let's open our photo portrait in LightBurn. I will resize the image, change width and height. Now click Adjust Image. Image mode. I use Jarvis. It gives smooth, natural half-tones that look great on portraits. And my engraving resolution is set to 221 dpi, which keeps all the fine details without burning the surface too much. And if you want to learn the main principles of photo engraving, I already have a video called How to Engrave Photos on Wood 5 Key Tips, so you can watch it after this one. And here is how it turns out. Simple, clean, beautiful family portrait with a warm wood tone.